Hong Kong court overturns Jimmy Lai's fraud conviction. A Hong Kong appellate court delivered an unexpected win for veteran media figure Jimmy Lai by nullifying the fraud convictions that had added to his already staggering legal woes. Lai, 78, the founder of the shuttered Apple Daily and a long-standing critic of Beijing, remains incarcerated under a separate 20-year national security sentence handed down after a December trial that found him guilty of colluding with foreign forces and publishing seditious material. The overturned case stemmed from earlier fraud allegations that a consultancy linked to Lai had improperly used office space leased by his newspaper for printing and publishing activities. In 2022, a lower court sentenced Lai to 5 years and 9 months for those fraud charges and imposed HK$2 million fine. However, the Court of Appeal concluded that while the leasing breach was real, the law did not obligate Lai or his associate Wang Wai-kyun to disclose it. And even if a duty existed, it could not be legally attached to them. More critically, the judges found the prosecution's evidence insufficient to prove deliberate false representations, leading them to vacate both the convictions and the accompanying prison terms. Neither defendant was present at the hearing. The decision could shave years off Lai's total imprisonment, as the two sentences, national security and fraud, are now set to run concurrently for only 2 years, with the remaining 18 years of the security terms slated to follow. The Hong Kong Department of Justice has said it will review the judgment and weigh the prospect of an appeal, stressing that the misuse of office space remains a factual finding even if it does not rise to fraud. International voices have rallied around Lai, warning that his cumulative sentencing could amount to a life behind bars. His children have expressed hope that U.S. President Donald Trump's upcoming visit to Beijing might create diplomatic leverage for Lai's release. British Foreign Secretary Yvette Cooper has labeled the punishment a violation of free expression and urged a humanitarian release. Chinese and Hong Kong officials, meanwhile, defend the national security law as essential for the city's stability and assert that Lai's sentencing upholds the rule of law. The case underscores the precarious balance between security measures and civil liberties in Hong Kong's evolving legal landscape.